Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, going to learn how to add emergency contact on Airbnb. We will also include links for our ultimate Airbnb packing list in the description below. To start, open the website airbnb.com. Then click on the profile logo at the upper right corner of the screen. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Log In. Click on Log In. Next, on the field provided, enter your phone number. Then click on Continue. A 6-digit code will then be sent to the number you have provided. Enter it in the field provided to continue. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Account. Click on Account. Here you will see an option for Personal Info. Click on Personal Info. On this page, scroll down to the bottom. Then you will see a section for Emergency Contact. Beside it is an Add button. Click on Add. On the fields provided, enter all the information about the emergency contact you wish to add, such as the name, relationship with the account owner, preferred language, email, and phone number. After entering all the necessary information, click on Save. That's how you add an emergency contact on Airbnb. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.